Hey, big congrats to Bobo and Day Day for subscribing. I think you're about my 7th subscriber. Appreciate you, man. Alright, man, so here we are standing over the block of the little Chevy 350, man. Thinking about putting this in this guy. But, I know, so let's take a look at this, man. Okay, cylinder 1, or that, actually, it's cylinder 1's way up here. And, there's some dirt and shit in there, but that's actually normal, and I put most of that dirt in there, and I mean, it feels pretty smooth. I don't know. Okay, so I'm feeling a little gash right down in here. That could just be moisture. That one looks okay. This one we won't know till we pull it down, but a little bit of dirt right there, but it looks like it's burning clean. This one right here had a rod that was blown out. I'll show you that in a minute. And so once again, I got dirt in there, but that's from me. So, and my lifters look pretty baked. Well, actually, I've got movement, so I'm happy with that. But I guess the main problem is once I get over here, I got this guy. He's okay. He's all right. This one looks okay. I mean, it's all right. Little rust down in here. That's not good. That's not good. So, and then we get to this guy. Oh, that's really not good. So either we got a blowout gasket right here, and I'm not seeing water connecting through, and I'm not seeing water connecting through. Maybe, but not really. And no, and no. So where's the water coming from? No, there's pretty good. Oh, that's pretty worn. I don't know if that. No, well, actually, all that fell off. I thought it was Reg's. Let's look under here. Oh, fuck this. Maybe they right. I don't know. I don't know, guys. It's bad though. It's bad. so what do you do now, right? Exactly. What do you do? Well, I guess I'm learning this is things worth rebuilding. So anyway, I think I'll fix this up. Look, see that little plug right there? All right, so we're gonna take all these out. I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna take the lifters out, or are those cam something, whatever. And then back here, the nice thing is they didn't put them in flush, but they're screwing back drain plugs here, so that's nice. That's pretty cool. So anyway, looks like them drain plugs are we're good here on the rear main seal is what I'm thinking. But I got all kinds of other problems. Anyway, we'll keep digging in on it, and maybe if YouTube kicks down like they should. Okay, this is the seat. Oop, we just got that a little bit greasy. But anyway, this is it right there. Yeah, see, I got the important one. Yeah, right here. Yeah, right there. So all that's nice, man. We're gonna come in here and pull all this off, and you can see in there we got all the springs there. We'll just send it to you, Pro Street. Anyway, man, we got a mess over here. I did hit that front end. Let's go take a look at the front end. Alright, so this is the front end, man. Yeah, she kind of polishes up a little bit, you know. I'm not sure if I'm really hip on all this, but yeah. So anyway, yeah. She'd be pretty much riding like that. Some big fatties. I got some fat tires for it. Rusty Nuts Used